In today's video, I am going to teach you how to integrate Zoho Forms with CRM. First, head to Zoho Forms and open the specific form you want to connect. Make sure it's the exact form that collects the information you plan to store in CRM, since the fields you've added here are what you'll map over in a moment. Next, look to the left side menu and click the Integrations tab. From the Integrations list, choose Zoho CRM, then click Integrate. This opens the configuration panel where you'll define what should happen each time someone submits your form. Now choose your action. If you want every submission to create a fresh CRM entry, pick Add New Record and select the right module like Lead or Contact. If you already have records in CRM and want to update them when the same person submits again, choose Update Record and set a unique identifier, such as the email field. This tells CRM exactly which record to update. If your goal is to add supporting information to an existing record, choose Add Related List. Perfect for creating a task, note, or similar item linked to the related contact or lead. With the action set, map your fields. On the left, you'll see the CRM fields. On the right, your Zoho Form fields. Match them carefully, especially mandatory CRM fields, those must be mapped or the integration will fail. Align data types correctly, like mapping an email input to the CRM email field and dates to date fields. For pick lists, ensure your form options match the CRM values to avoid errors. Before saving, review the optional actions. You can trigger workflow rules to kick off automations in CRM. Apply assignment rules to route new leads or contacts to the right owner. And even attach the submitted form as a PDF to the CRM record for easy reference. Toggle only what you need to keep your process clean and compliant. When everything looks right, click Integrate to save and activate the connection. From now on, submissions from this form will follow the rules you've configured. If you ever adjust your form fields later, return here to confirm your mappings still line up with CRM requirements. That's it. Thanks for watching.